Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off password alerts in Google Password Manager on your Samsung phone. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on privacy. Then we go down and tap on autofill service from Google. Next, tap on passwords. Then here, tap on password alerts. Now, if you do not see the settings screen, go back into the password manager. So when you tap on password, you will go to password manager. Then tap on the settings icon. In here, tap on password alerts. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. This will allow Google to notify you when your safe passwords are found online. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.